welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? Today is a bonus video because with school and everything it's really compact, so I'm only videotaping once a week. But this is a bonus one because guess what came on the 19th of January? Yeah, a huge Be Examined by Belize Customs box. Actually, it's the Scrawlrbox. Now this one was November box 99, and I will put a picture up of what it looks like when I dig into it, because I don't need to go into every single part of it because it's from November. I just got it, guys, and actually I had to write Scrawlr on the 5th of January to explain to them that I haven't received my box 99 yet. And my friend at the post office gave me a heads up that the box came in, so I went down for it and I just literally got it on the 19th of January. So maybe this is the box that they what's the word, resent, because my box 99 got lost. On that day too, I also got my 100th box for a Scrawlrbox, and so I'll be doing that a bit later, maybe in February, and it'll be the same. I'll just rush through it because you guys probably already seen it already and I'm just late to the game. One thing I want to highlight in this box, however, are these. First, the beautiful, gorgeous print, because I want to credit the artist. I'm not going to try to pronounce his or her name. Here it is. There's their social. Let me bring you guys in a bit closer. Right there. So you can see. Still doesn't want to focus on their socials. Thank you. Here's their social. You can scan this code here to see more of their art. The other thing I want to highlight is what we're working with. We're working, well, it came with some pad of paper, and I don't remember where I put it. Hold on one second. Sorry, I had it under my school book. It came with this pad of paper, and I want to highlight it because this was the main medium in it, the Faber-Castell. Let me bring you guys out a bit. The Faber-Castell half sticks. These are soft pastels. This is from their Creative Studio line, and the Creative Studio line is basically the same line as the Gold Fiber, and they give you a Gold Fiber pencil and a Derwent pastel pencil. This pad of paper here is actually Delarowney pastel paper. I did swatch out the. He also came with a kneadable eraser and a little makeup. I call it makeup applicator, but a pastel applicator. But I won't be using those today, so I put those in my stash. These are the colors. And I also went through this and what's the word I'm looking for? Find the names of the papers, and they do correspond with the Faber-Castell naming line. I'll be using my own kneadable eraser, which I have in this egg. Yeah, because I don't want to open the one that was sent. And for the pastel applicator, I'll be using these. So now that you know what's going on, let me quit my blabbering and get into this. Okay, the last thing here I should highlight is the zine. It tells you all the stuff that came in the box along with the little candy. Pastel applicator, the kneadable eraser, the sticker. Also highlight the artist. Tips on how to use pastels. Behind the artwork, what the artist has here. And I also want to highlight the previous 2 months, which is claws and paws. I'm not here, guys. I love this. These are so amazing. But Annie's here. Look, Annie's right here with her little claws and paws. Oh my goodness. And the top 3. Congratulations, Annie. And a little article at the back of the zine so we can read it. Now that is done. So the theme for this month is dream catcher. And so I envision someone dreaming and someone trying to catch that dream. And that's exactly what I drew. And now that you have an understanding of what I drew, let me quit my blabbering and start this stuff. That's it. I think I'm done playing with this. My impressions. These are, in my experience, very firm or harder pastels, softer. The harder version to the soft pastels or the chalk pastels. That's my interpretation of them. This didn't produce as much highlights as I liked. I did have to use the white pastel a little bit to get some highlights here, as you can notice here. And I'm going on lightly, guys, very lightly, and it's not giving me the amount of highlights I want. So I'm thinking, see, very lightly, very little highlights. So I'm thinking that it's not working for me. This was given in a previous Scrawlrbox. I didn't get that box, sorry. I think that box was before my time. But this was also given a previous Scrawlrbox. Because my art style is very cartoony, I had to do line work, and I chose to use and this worked perfectly. Light application, scratched very lightly over it, worked perfectly, as you can see. It really brought out my my intentions here. So this was really good. This is a really good pencil, really good find. What else? What else can I say about this? I had fun. I was actually in the zone. I know this doesn't look like an amazing masterpiece, but I was in the zone. I did not use this paper for this piece. This is actually Strathmore paper. I wanted to work on something a bit bigger. And normally for pastel works, I don't normally do this cartoony kind of style. It's still cartoony, but it's like more studies still studies more like that. I use pastels for. So this was an adventure for me. I've never really tried pastel in my with my cartoony theme before. I just use it for like studies. Maybe I draw an apple or a cherry or an orange, and I would use the pastel for those still studies, not necessarily for this. So this was really adventure for me. I want to say thank you guys so much for being on me with this adventure. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I know I am late to the game. It's the mailing system from the UK to Belize. It is really messed up. It takes 2 months. This box took 2 months to get to me, and I'm not even sure if this box is the replacement. Scrawlr said they were going to send out to me on January 5th. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey, and as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.